If you've forgotten your WordPress password, don't worry. You can easily recover it using a few simple steps. Here's how. Go to the login page. Open your WordPress login page. The default URL is usually yourdomain.com/wp-admin or yourdomain.com/wp-admin.php. Click Lost Your Password. On the login screen, you will see a Lost Your Password link beneath the username and password fields. Click this link to begin the recovery process. Enter your email address or username. You will be prompted to enter the email address or username associated with your WordPress account. Enter the required information and click Get New Password. Check your email. WordPress will send a password reset link to the email address associated with your account. Open your email inbox and find a password reset email. Click the reset link provided in the email. Set a new password. After clicking the reset link, you'll be redirected to a page where you can enter a new password. Enter a new password, confirm it, and click Save Password.